He's written an autobiography in 3 volumes in Yiddish, and the first volume is called Vortslen, and it describes his childhood in great detail. He was the last, I think the youngest, and because he was the youngest, he had the least food, and so he was the smallest, and he also had rickets, and was unable to walk until he was about 5 years old. All of this is described in his autobiography, which is also in English called The Roots. And I think it had a great deal to do with his personality, because as a child, he had to live an inner life since he couldn't walk. And he would engage in fantasies about the world around him, and it's what led him into the insights and feelings that eventually culminated in his being a writer. I think it had a great deal to do to shape his character.